going to Top of Cebu para mamahaw.
Here we go!
Here we go guys. Unsa na sa lamig dito?
Maghan.
Oh, pero karon ang among tilawan ang ilang pamahaw. So pwede na ka mamahaw sa Tops guys.
Top silog.
Oh yes! Dapat daw na mag-yapas. So good morning mga Kalaminians, na kami karon sa Top of Cebu para mamahaw.
Di mo kaon na dyan ko.
Oh, tanaw na to unsa ilang mga pamahaw diri.
Breakfast, here we go.
Hi guys, we're here at Top of Cebu. We're having breakfast and we're here with Chef Kai. So,
Hi
Chef
guys!
Kai, what's for breakfast here at Top of Cebu?
Well, what you guys are enjoying now, we've got American breakfast right over there, and then a selection of Filipino breakfast. It comes with your choice of like whatever you want to enjoy with tapa or chorizo, whatever you're in the mood for. The only difference between the two is that, of course, ang Pinoys, we really love the rice, so it's gotta have that rice. The Americans can do without the rice, so we give you a hash and some toast, and you can just have fun and experiment mo na siya mix and match. This one, it holds a special place in my heart. It's a breakfast hash, something I took with me from the States. It's like diner food. Just a mix of like potatoes and then like the egg on top. Becomes the sauce for the whole thing. It brings everything together. And yeah, it's just a play of textures.
So Chef, in Bukuana, what time do you open and invite them to come here?
Well, we're open from 7 a.m. and we close at 11 p.m. I invite you guys, if you just want to chill, have a great breakfast, or you just came from a hangover or something, we're happy to receive you. We've got hot coffee and just, it's like a warm hug of a breakfast. So come on over, we'll be happy to have you.
Let me